Welcome back to my channel, Baddies. I know what you're thinking. It's Wednesday. What are you doing here? Oh, just dropping my first video of the week. Okay, sorry. I hate that I just did that. Please forgive me. That was kind of embarrassing. Today we're going to be making an alcohol ink tie-dye. You heard that right. I really like the way it turned out because it's giving me that beach t-shirt shop vibe, with all the pretty cells and just the amazingness. I'm going to walk you through how to do it. I hope that you love it. I hope you love it as much as I do. And I can't wait to see you guys make it. I also want to tell you guys that I'm really excited to be here 2 days a week again. So please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Besito. Okay, back with another voiceover. I'm going to be using some alcohol ink markers. I know, very freaking cool, right? So we're going to start by drawing a little spiral. Is that a spiral? Like little target? Yes, we're going to draw it around the cup. It does not have to be perfect. This is just the bones for our dinosaur. No, that's not. This is just the blueprints. Oh, this is just the blueprint for our tie-dye. So once we have that drawn, we're gonna go ahead and take our first color, which is gonna be yellow, and we're just gonna mark like this with our marker and just do that little squiggly line. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, right? If we weren't gonna make this blend out with with alcohol, I would tell you to make your lines a little bit neater, but this is we're just getting the tie-dye down because we're gonna blend it out to make it look like this. Hello, focus, hello, but really? Really, iPhone? iPhone, really? Okay, sorry, we're wasting time. I got a moco. I've got to stop picking my nose and spitting on YouTube. Why are you guys subscribed to my channel? This is really whoa, is it focused now? No, I want my money back, Apple. Ooh, look at it now. See, we're gonna excuse me, hello? We're gonna make it do this. Ooh, that's beautiful, guys. I don't want you to look at me differently because I'm so good. Okay, sorry. So as you can see, we've been doing the exact same thing, which is to draw our little first swiggle tie-dye line, which is going to be the yellow. And this was really fun to do because these are just alcohol ink markers. Look how good that looks. Damn. And they're so easy to eat. Look how vibrant that pink is. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And so basically what I'm doing now is I'm just laying my next color over that yellow, or next to the yellow, but layering it a tiny little bit with that pink. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with a blue marker. I know it looks like it's a green, but that's because I'm taking some of that yellow and pulling it back. So it is turning into a green. Oh, you can see my AirPod. Oh my gosh, ghetto. Okay, so basically, blue and yellow make green. So that's why I decided to go with a blue. And as I'm going back and forth, it's picking up a little bit of that yellow, and therefore it's turning that color into a green, which is what we want. So I'm gonna do this all the way around the tumbler, right? And do just this gorgeous, see how towards the outside of the color, you can see that really pretty blue, but it is pulling that yellow and creating a really beautiful green. It's just so cute. So after I do my, green, I'm going to take the same blue and I'm going to pull from the pink because the pink and the blue are going to make purple. Guys, I know. I learned this when I was in 6th grade. Not really. I learned this recently from my best friend Morgan because I didn't, you know what I'm saying? Colors are hard. They just are for me. But look at me now. Go little rock star. So I'm doing the exact same process. Also, sorry that in some of these frames, you can't see the cup, but you can look at me. Right? You can't see the cup, but you can see me. Hey, this is a distraction. Okay. So I did the exact same thing all the way around. I pulled from the pink with that blue and turned it into a really beautiful purple. And then I took an actual green marker and kind of went over the green to make it a little bit greener. And then I took the yellow and I pulled from the pink into the yellow to make a really pretty orange. And at this point, I think I was just doing too much. Like, oh, look at me, I've got a marker, I know what I'm doing. But look how gorgeous that pink is. Honestly, I might try to make a tie-dye with just pink and purple, like pink and blue, so that it could be like pink, purple, and blue. But like, look how gorgeous that is. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry that this is not in frame. I was distracted. Jenny was in the garage talking to me and I should have paid better attention, but look at me. Hey. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this paintbrush, I'm gonna dip it into 99% alcohol, but you need to make sure that you are tapping off the excess alcohol ink into a paper towel. You don't want drops of alcohol touching your tumbler, because if they do, it's gonna make all the colors run and bleed together and it's gonna make a really big mess, and you don't want that. So you're just gonna dab your paintbrush into your 99% alcohol, dab the excess off on your paper towel, and just do the same color at, like, for example, don't go from color to color. Do all of the orange first and then go do all of the green first, and clean off your paintbrush in between, because we're not trying to contaminate colors, too much. Obviously, they're gonna get a little contaminated. It is alcohol ink. We're making it activate with the alcohol and do its thing. Look at that. I just think it looks so cool. Like, it just looks so cool. Come on, focus. Like, it just looks, it's a very cool effect. I think that it reminds me of like the Bob Marley shirts. I don't know. I really like it. So I think it's a really different take on the typical tie-dye. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Of course, I did my first coat of epoxy. I did 40 mLs, 20 part A, 20 part B, because you guys know I like to lay it on thick. That way I get that good coverage in just one coat. And then I took a little bit of silver alcohol ink. You can come in, honey, you're fine. This is such a ghetto YouTube. Like, my husband's in here bringing me tacos. Oh my.
You can call me Chef Jenny, yeah.
Chef Jenny? Guys, I'm sorry. This is such a ghetto YouTube. Listen, it's on you. You're the one that's here watching my YouTube video. I'm not on your YouTube. You're on mine. So you must like it. Okay. So I did silver alcohol ink that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I'm taking a flat edge paintbrush and I'm just kind of doing the leopard spots. Now, I wanted my leopard spots to be like fuzzy, which is why I was doing like the zigzag thing, but leopard spots are not supposed to be perfect and they don't all always match. So this right here is perfect, you guys, the way that we're doing it. I don't want you to overthink the leopard spots, okay? And if you do your leopard spot and you think that it doesn't look sparkly enough, it's fine. Let it dry and come back and do another coat of that silver over. It gets pretty good coverage. I'm very impressed. Like, I really liked how this looked. I also can't take credit for this method. Michelle, who is incredible. She is the owner and creator behind Bombshell Boutique. I saw her on TikTok and she was hand painting these gold leopard spots on a white tumbler, and she was taking the ink from like a gold pen that she has, and it was just mesmerizing. And I thought to myself, I have to try this technique. So I have to give her credit. Michelle, thank you for posting that TikTok, because that inspired this, and I love it. Guys, I will link Michelle's social media in the description of the video, just so that you can go check her out and, tell her thanks for showing us this awesome trick that allowed me to show you. So I went ahead and just did the leopard spots in like different areas and just kind of decided, all right, this is enough leopard spots, but you can add or as much as you want. And then I took a acrylic marker and put besitos on the bottom of the tumbler, and I'm gonna give it away to somebody. So comment on this video and I'll pick a winner. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on Saturday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Besitos. You're my favorite.